This is a short testimonial of why I joined the Video Creators Club. Now, like most people, I'm a novice when it comes to content creation, but I've known for a long while that adding video to our business can make a huge difference, not only to our marketing, but also when it comes down to deliverability for our clients. But the problem I had is where to start. I had no idea about the kind of kit I would need, how to create the videos, how we go about editing, creating the graphics. And this is where it really comes into its own. I get access to lots of material, guides, courses, but the real benefit for me is having access to Gareth and to Mick to answer those niggly little questions that happen on a day-to-day basis. So they're there on hand and have massively helped me in basically creating video for the business. But there's also another benefit, and that's the Video Creators Club itself. And yes, we discuss trends and basically discuss challenges we all face. But most importantly for me, it keeps me accountable because I have to report back of what I've actually done month to month. And that has been a game changer. So guys, keep up the good work. If anybody wants to know, it's phenomenal value. You won't go wrong by joining the Video Creators Club.